Hello everyone, welcome back to Teachers Hub. So in today's video we are going to solve the sixth sum given in your NCERT electricity chapter in class 10th. The sum goes like this. A copper wire has a diameter of 0.5 mm. So you know mm is nothing but millimeter, which is equal to into 10 power minus 3. So this would be 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 meter, and the resistivity of 1.6 into 10 power minus 8. What will be the length? So they are asking us to find out the length, but the condition is what would be the length of the wire to make the resistance as 10 ohms. And the second part of question is how much does the resistance change? So we have to see how much resistance will change if you are going to double the diameter. So let's begin the sum. So let us write down what is given first. So that will be very helpful. So first they have given us diameter. So I'll be representing diameter as small d, which is equal to 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 meter. I said millimeter is nothing but 10 power minus 3. Then they have given resistivity. Resistivity is denoted by the symbol rho. 1.6 into 10 power 8 ohm meter. Now they are asking us to find out the length. L is equal to question mark, and the resistance which they have given is 10 ohms. First we shall solve this part of the question. So this is the given data. So now what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of length to make the resistance of the wire as 10 ohms. So by the given data, we already know the formula, that is R is equal to rho L by A. I can reframe this. So I'll get L is equal to, I'll shift this A towards left hand side. So I'll get RA. I'll shift this rho downwards. So it will be RA by rho. The value of R, we know the value of rho, but we doesn't know the value of A. So if you see the diameter of the circle, it would be similar to your circle. So we'll use the area of circle, that is A is equal to pi r square. It will be equal to 3.14 into r is nothing but diameter by 2. So 0.5 by 2 is 0.25 into 10 power minus 3. So now we have got the value of A. You can simplify here only, or else we can carry forward. So we shall carry forward. So now what I'll do is I'll find out the value of L. So R is nothing but 10 into A. Just now we got 3.14 into 0.25 into 10 power minus 3. But we have taken whole square. So we'll do squaring here. So 0.25 into 10 power minus 3 square, because it is pi r square whole divided by rho. Rho is 1.6 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. So now let me multiply these two, that is 10 and 3.14. So we'll be shifting the points. So it will be 31.4 into we can multiply 0.25 into 0.25 directly. So we know that 25 into 25 is 625. So 0.0625 into, if we do squaring here, we'll get into 10 power minus 6 whole divided by 1.6 into 10 power minus 8. In order to make our simplification more easier, what I can do is I can make this minus 6 as minus 8 by shifting the points. So how many times should I shift? If I want 0.0625 I into 10 power 8 if I do, minus 8 if I do, I have to shift twice, 1 2. So it will be 6.25 into 10 power minus 8. So same thing we're gonna do here now. Okay, so 31.4 into twice if we shift, we'll get 6.25 into 10 power minus 8 whole divided by 1.6 into 10 power minus 8. So why we did 10 power minus 8? Because it is simple for us to simplify and we can cancel out. My 10 power minus 8 here, 10 power minus 8 here. 196.25 divided by 1.6. So now for easy simplification, I'll make it as a whole number by multiplying 100 on both sides. So 196.25 into 100 divided by 1.6 into 100. Same whatever we are doing in the numerator, same thing we're going to multiply. So we'll get 25 divided by 160 because twice we are doing. So 160. So 19,625 divided by 160. So I can simplify this by which table? I can simplify this by, yes, 5. So 19625 divided by 160. Yeah. So 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 4 remainder, 5 9s are 45, 1 remainder, 5 2s are 10, 2 remainder, 5 5s are. Now I got 3,925 divided by 32. If I divide it, I'll be getting 112.65 meters. So this will be my length. So length is equal to 122.65 meter. Second part of question, what will be the value of resistance if the diameter is doubled? So we know the formula for resistance, R is equal to rho L by A, or I can also write it as rho L by pi R square. So now what happens if the resistance is doubled? So what I'll do, I'll take R is equal to 2R, because if the diameter is doubled, even the radius also will be doubled, right? So R is equal, or R dash is equal to rho L by pi. In place of R, I'll use it as 2R whole square. So R dash is equal to rho L by pi. So 2 square is 4 R square. So this I can write it as rho L. I'll write the coefficient 4 here, 4 pi R square. Now compare these two things. Rho L pi R square already in the place of R. What is extra? Extra is 4. So I can say that in place of L by pi R square, I can rho L by pi R square, I can write it as R. Here nothing is there, means 1 by 4. So it becomes R dash will become 1/4 of the resistance. What is the value of R given in the question? It is 10 ohms. So what we'll do is, we'll do R dash is equal to 1 by 4 into 10. What is 1/4 of 10? Yes, it is 2.5 ohms. Hope so you have understood the sum thoroughly. If not, please re-watch the video. Then too, if you're not understanding, please comment down. I will be helping you. So thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.